Hello, my dear students of Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya, outstanding and smart students of Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya, my dear parents of Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya, hope you all are doing wonderfully well. We hope that the videos which we are sending you regularly, you are studying through that videos, you are listening them carefully, understanding them carefully and learning through that videos. As I told you earlier that we have made a link, and if you click on that link you can see all the videos of your class sent so far. You can also see that we have uploaded some e-books also there and some assignment also. Some of the parents have not got that link, so we are sending that link again, and you should visit that link, you should click on that link, and then you will find all the details of your class. These videos are very helpful to you in learning. You can learn at any time with your convenience, and gradually you will see that you are having a e-library of the videos that will help you in learning process. During the lockdown period, you should also improve your writing skills. If your handwriting is not good, you practice it and make sure that during this lockdown period your handwriting improves a lot, and your writing speed should also improve a lot. These writing skills are very important, and this is the right time during this lockdown period that you practice and practice, make your writing skills very good. The good handwriting and the speed of writing. During this lockdown period, you should also learn the value of self-discipline. You should not be forced to learn at home. Rather, it should come from within your mind, within your heart, that I have to learn all these things. And this self-discipline will definitely help you to understand better. During this lockdown period, you should also set your timetable at home. Morning from 8:30 to 12:30, you should completely dedicate yourself for the studies. You should sincerely study whatever the videos, whatever the assignment we are sending it to you. You should make a point that during this 8:30 to 12:30, you will show yourself as a very self-disciplined student, and the teaching learning process will be of good level in the 8:30 to 12:30 time. We are also adding two more features. Number one, that we are also sending you today a link, and you can post your doubt if any on this link. For example, in 9th class you have a doubt in physics, so you post your doubt, your question on this link, and these doubts will be forwarded to our teachers, and our teachers will be making a separate video to clear the doubts, so that you can listen that doubts, you can clear your doubts. In this link we are also taking your phone number. If needed, our teachers will also be contacting you on phone, and they will be clearing your doubts. Second feature which we are going to add is the assessment. That now videos will be coming regularly from Monday to Saturday, and on Sunday we shall be posting the assessment sheets. The MCQ questions will be on the link for the whole day. You have to answer all these questions, and this, once you will submit this, the answers will come to us, and on Monday or Tuesday we will be sending you the result also. So I hope that this will definitely tone up your teaching and tone up your learning process. Students, you need not to worry. Once the normalcy will come, we shall be distributing you the books, and once you are getting the books, then the teaching learning process will be more effective. I request the parent also that they should not worry about the studies of their children. As soon as the normalcy will come, we will see that all the chapters, whatever we have taught through the videos, they are being revised again. I request the student also that they should behave in such a way that their parents should feel proud that their children are learning at home. During this lockdown period, you should set some of your goals and see to it that you try to achieve that. Once again, I wish you all the best, and once again I wish that in the days to come you will be having a good learning experience, and all the best to you. Stay safe. God bless you. Thanks.